Please look at me. I look like an egg. But anyway, hi. I look like that thing off that film that like lives in the sand. Oh my god, what is it? I don't know, that's just the vibes I'm giving today. But hi, welcome to a Spend the Day with me. I'm gonna film a day in my life, my typical life, what I eat, what I drink, what I do to be productive. I got a coffee and then I got another coffee and I'm still like a zombie. It's just not hitting my brain today. Also, been selling loads on Vinted. I've got so much more to put on, so I'm gonna put that on there whilst I'm working. Everyone can have a little browse on that because I've told everyone I am addicted to that. I'm not even joking, like I'm addicted to selling things. I'm hungry, I feel like I'm lacking energy, and I have got the best breakfast. I just hope my strawberries are not out of date. I've been eating so well. I'm not joking, I've been eating so good. So this is my go-to breakfast that I've been eating and I actually love it so much. I bought some of this, some Greek yogurt, grapes and strawberries, and oh my god, it's just such a nice breakfast. I love it, and it keeps me energized, keeps me full. So I've gone for 125 grams of Greek yogurt. So I'm giving the strawberries a little wash. That's the strawberries in, and now I'm gonna rinse off some grapes. Honestly, I actually love this combo. This fruit combo is beautiful. Look at that. Ew. I was literally so excited to eat these, but that, I just googled that and it says that it's a cobweb. I'm not doing that. I ain't doing it, hang on. No. Look at that. That's typical of spider's breath or something. So I've put a heaped tablespoon of flaxseed in. And my strawberries. I've made myself another coffee. I've been eating more healthier, like things like this, making little changes, you know what I mean? And just adding more fruit into my diet and veg, like mushrooms. Hyperfixated on mushrooms, love them. Right, I'm upstairs, I've got my peppermint tea, I've had my breakfast, and now I'm gonna sort my face out. I'm gonna film a little get ready with me for TikTok. Wow, I look different, because guess what? I'm a catfish, but I'm energized now, right? Did you see me this morning? I was like a zombie. I've just sold another item on Vinted. I'm obsessed with selling things. Just sold this little swimsuit for £5. Someone's just bought something else. God, it's crazy. Swimsuit. And I've just accepted an offer for a £5 Guess t-shirt instead of 7, so I must get a jiffy bag. That's the one good thing about my declutters, is that because I've got jiffy bags already, like I don't need to go out and get them all. 4 parcels today. I sold 6 or 7 yesterday. It's been crazy, I love it. So obviously this is a productive day with me. Come to work with me or just spend the day with me. I finished my first job promo of the day, which was a TikTok with some boots. So I've just got that filmed and I'm going to pop that just under the sofa so it's out the way and I can physically see everything that I've got left to do. I just got into some comfy clothes because it looks like I'm going to the gym. I'm definitely not yet. I will be though. I'm just gonna go and fill this up. Well, I'm gonna wash it and then fill it up. It's a brand new flask thing. I'm excited that I'll get loads of water in. Hashtag productive. I've made some brunch. It's not even brunch, it's literally 20 to 4. But my food schedule is all over the place. But I'm quite hungry, so I just made a 3 egg omelette with cheese and mushrooms. This is my new hyperfix. It's so filling as well. I put like 4 big mushrooms in. So we're in the car, ready to post the Vinted parcels. I feel like today has actually been quite productive, I'm not gonna lie. And I've not finished yet. I like my chewing gum when I'm driving. I always say this in my videos. I posted so many new outfits earlier. I've got everything up now, thank God. So yeah, now I can just sit back and wait for the orders. I'm in the kitchen, my hair's tied back, and I'm in a jumper with something down it. What is that? That only means one thing. I am cooking. So if you've watched my videos recently or you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I am so obsessed with cooking at the moment. I cook so many different dishes and I'm also obsessed with mushrooms, right? And pasta. Tonight we are cooking a meal from HelloFresh. Please look how beautiful that looks. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. That's making me so hungry. So tonight I'm making the creamy double mushroom penne. It takes 30 to 35 minutes. So when I was choosing my meal on HelloFresh, there were so many different things I could choose from. There's over 100 recipes on there, but I went for something that was under the calorie smart section. And I love that they do that. It just makes it so much easier, and especially if you're in a deficit or anything like that, but even if you're not, there's so many recipes so many and everything looks amazing. It was so hard to choose what to get, but of course I had to go for a mushroom pasta. And it's affordable because when you work out, each dinner starts from around £3.15 per serving, which is unreal. And it's just so good and easy. And obviously I got you a discount code. So this is a limited offer on HelloFresh. So the offer is 60% off your first box and then 25% off the next 2 months plus free gifts. So you can get that offer with the code LucyL60. I will leave all information for that below. I've just changed my hair because it looks awful. Anyway, the code LucyL60 is available to new customers and previous customers who've cancelled their subscription a minimum of 3 months ago. So the code is there for you to use. So that's 60% off the first box and then 25% off the next 2 months. So to the pan, I'm gonna add in my onion. Now I'm also gonna add in some garlic. Look how big that mushroom is. I'm gonna clean it and slice it up and then also add that into the pan. So I thinly slice these mushrooms. Well, they're big mushrooms, they're portobello mushrooms, so they will shrink in size. So whilst that's cooking, I'm gonna add my sliced mushrooms as well. So once the mushrooms have cooked down, I'm just gonna add the balsamic vinegar. So I'm now adding 150 milliliters of water. I'm also adding in some vegetable stock paste as well. I'm gonna increase the heat and then just cook that. So that has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I'm now gonna add the creme fraiche. Love adding this, makes it so creamy and yummy. That smells so good. I'm also gonna add in some black pepper. So I've now added in the pasta. I'm gonna put in a little bit of cheese, some parmesan. I'm gonna give that a stir through. Wow, this is so much better than the one that I make. Honestly, I'm not even just saying that because this has got some additional ingredients like the balsamic vinegar, the vegetable stock. This is what my dream's made of right now. Pasta and mushrooms. This is what I'm obsessed with at the moment. So I'm gonna add a bit more cheese on top. A little sprinkle. This cheese literally smells amazing as well. So yeah, this would really be good and benefit someone that's struggling with a deficit as well, because I know what it's like when you don't know what to make. Or even someone that just wants to learn how to cook a little bit. It's now time for me to try this and I am so excited. Oh, it's so cheesy. Oh my god, that is amazing. You all know I'm a foodie, right? I could not stand here and be like, oh my god, it's amazing when it's not. I just can't do it. But that, you all know how much I love my mushrooms and my pasta and my cheese. And this is amazing. It's what dreams are made of. Just look at that. Oh my god. HelloFresh, hello, I love you. Remember the code LucyL60 because you're gonna want to try it. Honestly, my mum's is right there, gun code, so she's gonna love this. Mum, yeah, it's amazing. It is. It's amazing. Try it.
Thank you.
Honestly, that is better than the one that I make, and I'm quite offended, but it really is. I'm not filming you, don't worry, but I just want your reaction because it is so good. Innit? He's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. Honestly, I can't believe that. That is just 10 out of 10. Everybody's laughing in my mouth. Oh my god, it was so good. I'm not even kidding, me and mum literally devoured it. It was just so yummy. I feel so satisfied after that. It doesn't feel like, I don't feel sluggish or anything. Like I just feel fresh. Now I'm gonna make a little dessert. Spot the difference. Oh, these remind me of being a kid. Getting ready for school on a morning, you just put them in the toaster. I'm gonna put on some golden syrup because you know me, it's nearly that time of the month and I love sweet things anyway, but especially like when I'm near this time of the month. So we're gonna have some pancakes, okay? So yeah, I feel like I'm being productive. Oh my god, it's burning. How do I get some out of the toaster? Like, there's a bit of croissant stuck in the bottom. Will plastic electrocute me? I have unplugged it, but if I put a chopstick, a plastic one in, it won't. Oh my god, it's so nice. I got it out. I got it out. Put my boobies back in. Long. That should be me. Holding your hand. Giving you flowers. That should be me. Talking for hours. That should be me. Oh, that should be me. Never should've let you go. I never should've let you go. Take me, plus you. I'ma tell you one time. When I met you, got my heart went knock knock. So we gon' keep climbing to the mountain. Your world is my world, and my fight is your bite. Just a fraction of your love. Feels the air. They smell so yummy. I'll never let you go. It's like an angel came by and took me to heaven. Cause when I stare in your eyes and the music like we won't do anything down on a little bit. I'll never let you go. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for listening. I love syrup. Yummy. I am so tired, right? But I'm gonna show you how I wind down on a nice evening. We're still gonna try and be a productive queen for the last, you know, hour or so. All the little marks on the wall, if you can see them. I was trying to mark out where I wanted the IKEA vanity, but I don't think I'm gonna do it anymore. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I hate this at the moment. I am not happy with this, but I'm pushing it to the back of my mind. I do usually put my manifestations on, but I'll do that. I always do that when I go to sleep. Put my little eye mask on and put that on, but I might put a little fire on. Got the fire burning. The fire's burning, go go. To make it even more cozy, I'm gonna put on my fairy lights. Are you gonna work? There we go. And they go all around the bay window. How adorable. And then I'm also gonna put some new batteries in this light. I got this ages ago and I just love it so much. Put the new ones in. Look how bright it is. That is so bright. I actually love that so much. We've just made the room go from about an 8 to a 12. Looks so cozy. I love my room looking cozy. I got my rosemary oil. I'm gonna start that tomorrow. I would do it tonight, but I'm just so tired, so I'm gonna put those in my drawer. I hate how unorganised everything is when the makeup things like this. I just hate it. Move that there. Put this back there. TikTok also on them little light things, so I'm gonna try that out at some point. I'll give this a bit of a spritz down. It's got a little mark on it. I like to just have things nice and clean. I'm a lot more productive when I wake up and everything's just clean and ready. Give this a bit of a clean down as well, why not? I could watch so many cleaning videos on TikTok. This is gonna sound dead weird, but I need to know if anyone's the same as me with this. Like, if you watch someone on TikTok clean their like toilet with the powder stuff and bleach, does that make your mouth water? Or am I just weird? And no, it's not weird. There's no chance of that, okay? It really does make my mouth water. Look at that. What a stare. I need to do that because that's just going to annoy me in the morning when I wake up and that just looks like that. Oh my god. Defos putting them pyjamas on tonight. That's all my makeup stuff. I need my vanity. I miss having a vanity. I don't know why I did that to them drawers. I'm so angry at myself. Like, I'm just so stupid sometimes. Like, I'm a pure Sagittarius. I do such impulsive things. Like, even when, oh, G-string. Even like drunk texting people and that. Like, I always do it and I wake up and I regret it. Like, I don't do that anymore actually because I don't fancy anyone. Like, anyone. My life is so boring right now because I don't fancy anyone. But then saying that, who needs to fancy boys to have a fun, fulfilled life? You don't. And I'm proof of that, you know. But me doing that to them drawers is just what I'm like as a person, and any other Sagittarius will know what I mean. Maybe it's just me as a person, but honestly everything that I speak about always refers back to astrology. It's just the way I am, okay? But yeah, I'm convinced that that's why I'm like that. Now for this side of the room, I do put my hairdryer in this drawer. Put it here. even find the glass cleaner, but this will work. Give that a quick wipe down. So that is clean. I've sorted the floor out. I've got the kitchen roller, but I will put that downstairs. That's just how I like my room. Nice and fresh and cozy. Fairy lights on, nice pyjamas on the bed, and all of it's clean. Look at it now with the lights off. Oh, I'm not gonna take makeup off. Jump scare. So tired. So this is how I end my night. Literally every night I put this on. Robert Zink, I love him. I do my little nightly what? I was gonna say nightly sleep. Obviously, I put my manifestation stuff on, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. I'm in my nice pajamas, just chilling out, and I would put my face on it, but I literally look so bad. You can see me there. I look so bad right now. I'm not even kidding. So yeah, you can see me from a distance, and you will see all the spots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Au revoir. Drop them jaws, I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real?